Do not throw the bottles used in the trash, because today I will show you an amazing trick so that you can take advantage of them. After knowing this, you will never throw them away again. First, we will need 2 plastic bottles more or less like these. Now, with the help of a knife, we will cut both ends of the bottle as I show you in the video. This trick is very practical and surely your friends will love it. Once we have cut both ends with the scissors, we make some cuts from the bottom to the middle of the bottle, following the same process that I am showing. We cut several times to get several threads. I would love to know from which country or city you are watching us to greet you in the next video. Today's greeting is for Marta from Chile and for Jos, who is watching us from Spain. Thank you both for watching and sharing my videos. Similarly, we take the second bottle, cut the ends and follow the same procedure that we just did with the other bottle. Once you finish, you should have something similar to this. Then, we take both bottles with the threads and place one bottle inside the other as I am showing you. Then, we take the head of the bottle and place it so that the bottles fit well. Now, with the help of an electric welder, we make 2 holes in both ends. If you don't have an electric welder, you can do it with a hot nail or any similar object. This must be done very carefully. Once the holes are made, we take a piece of galvanized wire and place it in the holes, as I am showing you. Then, we make a knot, giving it a few turns. The next step is to take the stick of a broom and screw it into the mouth of the bottle. Now, with the help of a screwdriver, we fix the stick of the broom. What we just did is an ecological broom made of plastic. An incredible and economical idea that you can use to recycle and take care of the environment more. This ecological broom is excellent for sweeping open spaces like the patio. We hope this advice has been very helpful. If this is the first time you watch one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to receive our advice.